Good morning, children. In the last class, we learned about the curved surface formula and the terms which were involved in the curved surface formula, children. Today, we will be learning about a new topic called as lenses. Lenses. What do you mean by a lens? Lens is the one which is transparent, which is made up of a glass or a plastic. Any transparent medium which is made up of a plastic or a glass is called as a lens, in which the light can pass through it. That is called as a lens. We are having of different types of the lenses. The different types of lenses are, mainly there are two types of lenses, that is convex lens and concave lens. Convex lens as well as concave lens. In this convex and concave lens, convex and concave lens, there are many types of the convex and concave lens. That is biconvex lens. Biconvex lens. This is biconvex lens. Next, biconcave lens. Biconcave lens. This is biconcave lens. Okay. Plano-convex. Plano-convex lens. Plano-convex means here one plane, one convex. Plano-concave lens. Plano-concave lens. Plano-concave means this is plano-concave lens. Next, okay children, here lenses are of different types, that is convex lens and as well as concave lens. In this convex lens, we will be having of biconvex lens, plano-convex lens. In the same way, we will be having convexo-concave lens. Convexo-concave lens. Here we will be having concavo-convex lens. Concavo-convex lens. Okay children, here we are having of different types of lenses: convex lens, concave lens, biconvex lens, biconcave lens, plano-convex lens, plano-concave lens, convexo-concave lens, and as well as concavo-convex lens. Here in this case of convexo-concave lens, here first we will be having of convex lens, then we will be having of the concave lens. Here concave first, convex next. Here plano-concave means first plane, next concave, first plane, next convex. Like this we will be having of the different types of the lenses, children. Okay, right. Biconvex lens, biconcave lens, plano-convex lens, plano-concave lens, convexo-concave lens, concavo-convex lens. Children, have you got the idea? Yes. Now we'll be learning about the terms which were involved in these types of lenses. As we are having of many types of lenses, but we consider only the concave, biconvex and biconcave lens. Normally biconvex lens we write like this, we draw like this. Okay, in the same way we draw this biconvex lens in this way also. We represent it by like this. We can represent it by like this or either like this. This is double convex lens. Same, this is also double convex lens, or we say that convex lens or double convex lens. Okay children, in the same way of the concave lens, normally we represent like this. Concave means double concave, convex means double convex. Okay, or either like this. Simply, how to remember? C outside, C is there outside, it is a concave. Okay, we represent like this or either like this. Here convex, vex means what? Cap inside, cap outside. Like that we can remember children. Okay, and here in this, the center part we say it is the optic center. The center part of the lens is the optic center. Here is the optic center children. Here is the optic center, or normally we can, if we draw like this, the center part. In your textbook it is given like this children. In the state syllabus it is given convex lens is represented like this, concave lens is represented like this. Therefore from now onwards we represent the convex and concave same as that is given in the textbook children. Okay, right. What are the terms which were involved in the lenses? Is optic center, center of curvature, principal axis, radius of curvature, focal point or principal focus, and focal length. As we know all these, instead of pole we are writing it as optic center. Normally optic center is denoted by O, center of curvature denoted by C, principal axis we won't represent with any of the letter. Here radius of curvature R, focal point EF, focal length EF, small f. You know all these terms. That is, say optic center, center of curvature, principal axis, radius of curvature, focal point or focal principal focus, and focal length. These are the terms which were involved. These are the terms which are involved in the types of lenses. Normally we represent either it is a convex or a concave. If it is a convex, the center part we represent it by O. O is the optic center. Next, here we represent it as center of curvature. center of you know the center of curvature, center of the sphere where lens is a part, center of the sphere where lens is a part is called as a center of curvature. Okay, normally we represent like this, we get the center of curvature like this, and this side like this. Normally we will be getting of two radius of curvature. Okay, the line which is passing through the optic center and the center of curvature is called as a principal axis. You know the, now we learn the optic center, center of curvature, center of the sphere where lens is a part is called as the center of the curvature. Okay, or center of the lens is called as the optic center. The line which is passing through the optic center and the center of curvature is called as the principal axis. Radius of curvature, normally the distance between this is called as the radius of curvature. In the same way this one. Okay, right, radius of curvature R1 R2, two radius of curvature will be getting. Okay, when a light ray is traveling, passing parallel to the principal axis, after refraction it compulsory pass through a point. That point we call it as, okay, it is called as the focal point. Normally we'll be drawing of two focal points for the lenses. Okay, f1 and here f2, f1 f2. Okay, and the distance between the optic center and the focal point is called as the focal length. Here we got optic center, center of curvature, okay, principal axis, radius of curvature, distance between the optic center and the center of curvature. Okay, next, radius of curvature, focal point, focal length. Okay children, remaining we will be learning in the next class children. Thank you.